All right, welcome everybody to another BTO Sports Warehouse Review. I'm Nick Wayne, that's Andrew. We're out here in the warehouse, so pardon the sounds. There's not quite on the set here. We don't have makeup artists. This is the warehouse, this is the motocross industry. And we have a special surprise for you today. There's the unboxing of the brand new Fox V3 helmet. So without further ado, let's go take a look at this bad boy. Super lightweight. Man, I gotta say it's just over 3 pounds, gotta be. I think they said the mediums are at 3.1 or 3.2, so it's gotta be right near there if this is a size large, so really lightweight. Start with the exterior of the shell here. Look at the lines got cut in through this from the top. It's got a little bit of a crown top of the helmet going on here. Multi-composite technology. It's got a blend that makes the helmet lightweight and also be rigid enough to withstand impacts. Know or you don't know, the Fox V3 helmets have had this magnetic visor on the helmet. You see it pops up just like that. But I had to pull on it. Their previous version, although I thought it was pretty strong, this newer version they've made it stronger, so it can withstand some hard roost you might get or a hard impact. Your visor is not going to be flopping off now if you ever had that issue before. So Fox, always innovator, made something better that they invented, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if you can zoom in here or not, but Fox made this helmet's almost a two-piece shell. You might as well, if you can see it here, this is a separate sort of cage, I'll call it for now. As that two-piece system, the chin bar will allow to absorb more energy to the front part of the helmet, separate from the shell. And the shell itself, it allows for the EPS to be injected directly into the shell, and thus also keeps the helmet from not being as wide, and allows for the helmet shape to be such that it is. Kind of an aerodynamic look to the shell too, if you looked at it from far away. So really cool stuff from Fox. It's the back of the helmet here. You'll see it's raised, and this is to accommodate most neck braces. There's a lot of people that wear neck braces have trouble with it hitting the back of the neck brace with their helmet. So this will help eliminate that. And also, while we're back here, the exhaust ports on the back, I don't believe I touched on that. The large exhaust channels here on the back, and also on the top, you got this wide port here to accommodate the large amount of airflow coming in the front of the helmet. And ECE DOT certified. Now let's take a look at the inside of the helmet. All right, so this is the inside of the helmet here, and I got to point out, if you can see the inside of the liner here, the fit and feel is what you'd expect from a premium helmet. It's smooth and plush liner. The liner's made by X-Static. That is X-Static. It's a moisture wicking material, and also it's antimicrobial, so it'll help keep the odor out of the helmet as well over time. But I mean, as you can see, the liner's also cut in to allow for the air channels to flow air in and out through the helmet. And I'll get into what that blue dot is in the back of the helmet right there. All right, so I just removed the helmet liner. I want to show the inside of the shell, specifically this brand new technology that Fox just started using. These blue pods here has FI on it, stands for fluid inside. That's the name of the company that's making these rather. These pods go all the way around to help mitigate and slow down rotational energy and linear impacts to the brain. So all these helmet companies are trying to come up with, the best protection possible, and Fox has certainly found something new to bring to the sport, always pushing innovation. So Fox is doing a great job with that, of course. You can see more of those blue pods all the way around the side. Also want to point out you might not be able to see it, but this works with the ventilation that I mentioned earlier. These channels here, so you have air vents, but behind the air vents you need somewhere for it to go. So it's cut into the EPS liner here and allows for the airflow to go from the front of the helmet all the way back and go out the rear exhaust vents that you see on the back of the helmet. So really nice design by Fox. All right, so I don't know how this would be a helmet review, a real one, if I didn't put it on and see how it felt. So here we go. Size large in most helmets. This is a large. Dang. And I know not to talk with the helmet on. That's what they make the mistake in interviewing Supercross riders all the time. Let them take their helmet off. So, but that is a very impressive helmet. Maybe Fox will sponsor me one day. I would really like to have one of these helmets. That's comfortable. All right, the brand new Fox V3 comes in other colors. This is the zebra one. It is my spirit animal, so I'm excited about this one. So I'm showing it in this video. They do have a black and a white helmet out, and more colors will follow as the year goes on. And at $499, the V3 helmet is, God, it's got to be one of the best bangs for your buck for a premium helmet. You will not be disappointed. The Fox V3 racing helmet.